Hi, I'm Carson with Tag Roofing and Restoration out at 137 East State Road, Cleves, Ohio, 45002. And we are here to perform a repairability test. We are only going to simulate this repair. And in order to do that, I will need to loosen this first row right here. This is a shingle that insurance is already paid for. But then I will also need to go up here and loosen these 2 rows above it to get to the nails that hold this shingle in place. And then once I have it all loosened up, I'm going to lift it 3 times perpendicular with the roof, like this, very gently. And I am going to simulate getting a hammer, getting a nail up under there, and nailing this shingle in. So I'm going to start by loosening these. It is also currently 41, 42 degrees. So you want to be as gentle as possible. So this row is unsealed. So I will now start to gently unseal these 2 rows to get to the shingles or the nails that are underneath. And now I'm going to lift this shingle 3 times to simulate, again, getting a hammer under there, getting a flat nailing surface. 1, 2, 3. And as you can see, all you have done is damage the shingles even further, the remaining shingles around the shingle that we are repairing with creasing through the top, deeming this a failed repairability. Trying to get the sun in it, bring it up. You can see the very defined crease, and I'm going to have to deem this a failed BT.